Welcome to How to Play Hooligan. To play, you will need 5 dice, 2 to 5 players, and something to keep score with. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored in 7 categories based on a player's dice rolls during their turn. There is a category for each number, 1 to 6, where players are trying to roll as many of that number as possible. The 7th category is a hooligan. This is a sequence of numbers, either 1 to 5 or 2 to 6, and scores 20 points. The game starts with a player rolling all 5 dice. After the roll, the player can decide a category to go for and set aside dice to keep. Wade decides to go for the 6s and sets aside the 2 6s. Wade's second roll gets another 6 to set aside. Wade's final roll gets one more 6 to set aside. Wade scores the amount of pips on the 6s rolled, which gives Wade 24 points for the 6th category. Play moves to Diana. Diana starts by rolling all 5 dice. Diana decides to go for 3s. Diana's next 2 rolls don't have any 3s. Diana will score 6 points for her 3s category. Play moves to Peter. Players will continue to take turns rolling and scoring. The player with the most points after 7 rounds wins the game. Diana wins this game. Once a category is decided on during a turn, it cannot be changed. A player can postpone declaring a category after the first roll and roll all 5 dice again. A player still only gets a total of 3 rolls for a turn. If a player gets 5 of a kind for a category before their 3rd roll, they get to roll all 5 dice again and build upon their score. If you enjoyed learning how to play Hooligan and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.